Hello kids, how are you all? I hope that all are fit and fine at home, okay? So now I am coming for you. It's for the 4th and 5th both standard there, and it's a English grammar section, okay? English grammar for you for the 4th and 5th both, and it is for the English medium section, okay? So now we are learn about the one of the topic of them in English grammar. Okay, there is a prepositions. Okay, we use daily prepositions. Okay, in our sentences. But when and why we put in used in our sentence. Okay, so there is some examples and some ideas for you. Okay, then I learn. Okay. The prepositions. Okay, prepositions means what? Prepositions means words which shows the position, direction, and location. Okay, the some position. It is a word that shows that the position, direction, and location. Okay, we use the many words in it. Okay, just like that. Between mostly remain in the middle of the two objects. Okay, between mostly remain in a two objects. The middle of the two objects there is a between. Okay, the box between the two box. Okay, the box between the two boxes like that. And there is a second number is above. Above, it's indicate something higher. Indicate something higher. Okay, birds flying in the sky. Okay, just like that, birds flying in the sky. Okay, indicate something higher, something higher. So there is a third number behind. Behind, something or somebody at the back. Okay, something and somebody at the back. Rahul behind the chair. Rahul sitting behind the chair. Rahul hide behind the chair. Just like that. It's use something or somebody at the back. Okay. Then in front of something or someone before and another things or someone. Okay. In front of. Okay. I am front of the camera. I am front of the camera. Just like that. So front means the there is someone, something or someone, and there is a front of anyone or anything. Okay, just like the box in front of box. Okay, box the behind side and the box front side. So there is a something or someone before another things. Okay, so there is a two, T-O-2. Two shows our shifting towards our direction. Okay, we are going to school. Going to school. Okay, going to so our shifting and towards our direction. Our direction. We are going. It's a running way. Okay, it's a running way. We are going to market. We are going to Kalol. We are going to our school. We are going to our house. Okay, just like that. Then there is a two. There is a one to show our movement from one side of a boundary. Okay, want to show our movement from one side of boundary. Okay, just like a train, we are going on a railway station. There is a train passed away. Okay, train passed away. Just like want to show our movement. We are sitting in this train and we are moved. Our train passed away from this station. Okay, so want to show our movement from one side of a boundary. Okay, then the beside, by the side, beside means the beside. Okay, my friend sitting beside to me. Okay, says my friend sitting beside to me. Okay, she's my friend sitting beside means the beside me. Okay, just like into something is into so a movement or motion. Okay, so a movement or motion. Okay, into the box into the box into the box, just like that. And the off, the movements drive away from a surface. Up, the movement driven away from the surface. Off. Okay, off, the switch off. Okay, on off, just like up, the movement drive away from a surface. Okay, and the 11th, tower, used to show direction. Towers, this side, this side. Okay, just like going to market side, going to school side, just like that. Towers used to show a direction. Okay, then around, it's one type of motion also there, but it is so a direction, but it is in a circular motion, circular movement. Okay, we are playing garba in a circular movement. Okay, just like that. Our earth rotate. Okay, it's a one type of around. Okay, our earth, the earth around the sun, the earth around the sun. Okay, just like that. So the prepositions. Okay, the prepositions which word which so position, direction and location. Okay, we learn it. Then we are on the next topic of grammar. Okay, it's for the 5th and the 4th both English medium standard. Okay, and it's an English grammar section of the conjunction. Okay, conjunction we used in our word daily. Okay, daily we can use the means many sentences. We join the many sentences with the use of this conjunction. Okay, now we see that there is a many conjunction. Okay, just like and, but, or, because, for, yet, so, although. Okay, but we use the how we use them in our sentence or in our word. Okay, so there is a and, join two words. Okay, join two words, and the conjunction we can use to join two words, just like Mohan is smart and intelligent. Okay, so just like that. There is a but join opposite thoughts, join opposite thought. Okay, just like I want to go in I'm going in school, but my friend not coming. Okay, just like that. Or it's refer to option or choice. Have you choice? Okay, have a tea or coffee? Means that is your choice. Okay, have a tea or coffee. Then because shows the reason why the something happened. Okay, because it's a so the reason why the something happens. Just like because I purchase a mobile. Because I need it. Okay, I purchase mobile because I need it. Okay, just like there is a four. So the cause of the farmer. Okay, it's a farmer word. So the cause of the farmer. Okay, we are going for market. We are going market for buying something. Okay, so just it's a cause of the farmer. Okay, yeah. Join to opposite idea. Join just like join to opposite idea, just like my friend is not feel good yet she is coming school. Okay, my friend not feel good but she is coming in school. Then so that second idea is the result of the first. So okay, it's so that the second idea is the result of the first. Okay, my just like Gangu is poor, so happy. Okay, Gangu is poor, so happy. Then Alu. Okay, so sorry. So that second idea. So the result of the first. Just like my friend feel not good. She is not going to school. Okay. Then although so the contrast. Okay, it is so the contrast. Just like Gangu is poor, although happy. Okay, just like so we learn about the prepositions and conjunction both. There is some exercise you can do at home. Okay, so then we are on the next topic of our English grammar section. Okay, then the name of this chapter is the models. Okay, there is a many models. Okay, we can use in our sentences, just like the models can, may, shall, will. Okay, could, might, should, would, just like that. So there is a models express the mood of the main verb. Okay, express the mood of the main verb and the makes our spoken English impression. Okay, and it's a mood of the main verb, and it's a so that it's a impressive our English speaking. Okay, just like there is a can be mostly used to know someone's ability. Okay, just like can you speak English? Okay, can you speak English? Just like that you can use it in someone's ability. Second, may shows probability permission. Okay, shows probability or permission. Just like may I go washroom. Okay, may I go washroom. So we can say we mostly use the may. Okay, we mostly use may. So the probability or permission, may I go washroom, just like that. Okay. Then the 3 number shall. It's sometimes as possibility. Okay, your possibility. Just like it shall rain today. Okay, just possibility. Okay, not sure, but just a possibility. It shall rain today, just like that. And will, in case of promise. Okay, we can use the in a promise, just like I will give you a gift. Okay, I will give you a gift. It's a in case of a promise. Okay, it's a promise to someone. Okay, then we can say that there is a can. Could is the past of the can. Okay, could is the past of the can. I could run very fast. I could run very fast. It's a no to someone's ability. Okay, it's a no to someone's ability too. So the could is a part of the can. I could run very fast. Okay, it's a one type of ability of the person. Then the second, might, possibility of something's happening. Okay, something's happening. It's a possibility. Okay, not sure. Just like it might rain today. Okay, it might rain today. Okay, it's a possibility to something happening. Just like that. Then should shows our duty. Okay, just like we should do this, we should do not, we should do this. Just like we should serve our country. Okay, we should. Okay, we should serve our country. Okay, then would to know someone's intention. Okay, would is to know someone's intention. Would you prefer to have a cup of tea? Would you prefer to have a cup of tea? Okay, so there is a we already learned about this. Can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would. Okay, so there is a modest auxiliary. We can use the in a many ways. Okay, so there is a grammar chapter. Okay, there is a prepositions, conjunction, and models. Okay, and there is a exercise in your grammar book also. Then you can do it and learn it at home. Okay, thank you.